welcome to another vlog. I am here in my living room and I was outside picking up a parcel and going to the drugstore because in some drugstore or in one drugstore I get other things than in the other drugstore, and I'm a lucky girl. I have a little square here around the corner and there are 2 drugstores and this is perfect for me. I bought some new cotton pads, we needed them, some toothpaste, some hair color and some liquid soap, and then I went for sweet popcorn. And I don't know if you remember from last taste test, I had this brand called Vaya and they have new tastes. So this is Roots Salt and Balsamico snack. Looks like this. And the other one was with paprika and I wasn't really keen about that, so I went for the bean salt snack as well. I already tested that. So this is all I got from the drugstore. I am now preparing myself for a little yoga session. I'm alone today, and after that I will have a shower, and after that I will have some sushi I brought myself from the supermarket. See you! So they're taking now the last old houses down. The flat is shaking. It's super annoying, super dark, super noisy, super dusty. And it's raining today, as you might see. That is good, because then it's not so dusty. We started yesterday with it, with additional water to avoid the dust, but it's so loud and I hate that. Look at this house. Hello, hello. So I have been busy this week with work, with nothing special, but you know, a working week is a working week. And I've been out for dinner once with a friend, and we know each other for a very long time, and we had such a funny afternoon / evening. We went to the shops where we went when we were much younger, and they still look the same because fashion always returns, and now it's the same time of fashion, like the flared jeans or the baggy jeans, which were in when we were young, and this is super funny. By the way, I bought a baggy jeans because when the baggy jeans were in, I had one, but this was not a nice one, and I saw in the H&M newsletter that they have baggy jeans which are not high-waisted, and I'm not a fan of high-waisted jeans. They So every styling magazine is telling me that high-waisted trousers are covering your belly and look you look more narrow and slim in these, but I don't think so because I don't feel nicer in them, and they are very uncomfortable. I don't like to have fabric uh, over my belly button, so not jeans fabric or something like this. It always squeezes and is uncomfortable. So I saw the one with I think a mid-waist, and it's a bit destroyed, but it was the nicest color, so I bought this. Let me know if you want to see that. And I've been busy in crafting again. So what I did the whole week in the evenings when I wasn't with my friend, I crocheted again, because there are some little babies coming up and are already in this world. So I crocheted this cute octopus. This is Ophelia the octopus, and she's super cute. She has a super cute face, and she's blue from down below and pink on the top, because I read that babies can only see bright red and pink in the first ages, so she can see her little Ophelia every time. And as you are hearing, I put a rattle in it, and I put some, I don't know if you can hear it, it's just a tiny bit, so there is some foil in it. I poked the foil with some scissors because a friend of mine told me that you have to do that, otherwise when the foil is not destroyed, and they are tiny, tiny noses they have, those babies, then they can't breathe properly, and yeah, I don't want that a baby dies or something else from my toys. So this is the one I did. I finished it yesterday on Saturday, and the finishing part is always the best, you know. You make all the parts, and so the blue part was one part and the pink part was one part, but as you can see you have to do 8 of these arms, and then I made the eyes, and then when you bring it all together and there's a little face, then everything is so cute. Yeah, so I did that, and the neighbor kid is coming into school now. She's now old enough to start her school career, and she's super cute, and we sometimes meet, not very often, but we sometimes meet, and she is all about dragons. And in Germany, when you start to go to school, you get a, it's called a school bag, but it's not a carry-on bag. So it's called school bag, but it sounds very misleading, so I will show you how it looks. So it looks like this, and there are pictures from all German kids having this in their hands and standing next to their parents in front of their school at their first school day. So I prepared this one, and she loves dragons at the moment, so I was looking for dragon stickers or something like this, and she really likes the angry, the bad ones, you know, the villain dragons, because she's playing a game. And this is not very easy to get, so I was looking around and I saw this book, Dragon Love, and those dragons, I know, they don't look very mean. No, they look cute, but they look more dragony, you know. Always when you find something with dragons, it's more like they have huge eyes and they're super cute and look a bit stupid. So I went for this, and I bought just a white carton to build the shape of the bag, and then I wrapped one of those pages. You know, this is a sticker book. So you have here like pages where you can put the stickers, which are in the middle, like here. There are a lot of stickers with fairies and so on these pages. So this is a sticker book, and I ripped, or I took some of these pages out, because then she can reapply those stickers I put on here. Look at these. Look, this looks like a mean dragon a bit. And so I wrapped it around this, so I have a nice cover, and I put a lot of dragons in here, and when she doesn't want it anymore, we can use this. So this is not permanently stuck on the cardboard, so we can take it off, and she has a full book with all the dragon stickers. And what you usually put inside are things for school. So I put inside little rubbers, some neon markers, super cute ones. Let me try to reach them. These are super cute. They are also octopuses. Ooh. Okay, and these are like like markers, you know. They look so cute. I couldn't resist. And what else? There's something like a little toy you can move around in your hands, so it looks like a little robot, but you can change the shape into something else. And we got this in a workshop some weeks ago. It helps to concentrate on topics you hear, and I thought this is super cool. It's cool, and I like the color combination and so on. So this is a robot, kind of. And yeah, let me just check things out. Okay, I got this little snack for her. Then I know she likes Paw Patrol, so this is also a snack from Paw Patrol. Then I have some magic socks with a unicorn on it. She can resolve in the water. And I have some thing for her hair. And here are the little rubbers. They are in a super cute box. You can open this. And then there is, for example, this this koala bear, you know, or also a unicorn. And there is a penguin. Yeah, couldn't resist. It made a lot of fun to buy this, and she can use this box as well. And yeah, that's mainly it. Also some washi tape, and this is also a snack, but to squeeze, a squeezy snack. So yeah, I hope she enjoys this. She's starting school, I think, in 2 weeks, and she will get one, of course, from her parents, and I will give it to her in the afternoon or in the evening when I come back home from work, and then I will give it to her. It's Sunday, it's sunny, and we are chilling and doing nothing. I will start another crochet project. I can't talk about because the mother-to-be, or the mother-to-be of 2 children then, is watching those videos. I will end this vlog here. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and we will see us very soon. Stay safe and take care. Bye!